Welcome to our channel where we make banking simple and stress-free. Today, we will walk you through the easy steps to activate your Wells Fargo debit card. So you can start using it without delay. Activating your Wells Fargo debit card is a straightforward process designed to get you accessing your funds safely and quickly. There are several methods available, so you can choose the one that works best for you. First, let's discuss activating your card by phone. Locate the activation sticker on your new debit card, which contains a toll-free number. Call this number and follow the automated instructions. You will be asked to enter your card number and may need to verify your identity by providing some personal information. After completing these steps, your card should be activated and ready for use. Next, you can activate your card online by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. If you don't have an online account, it's easy to create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Debit Card Activation or Card Services. This is where you can enter your card details and complete the activation process. The website will confirm successful activation, and your card will be ready to use instantly. Another convenient method is using the Wells Fargo mobile app. Download it from your app store if you don't have it already. After logging in, tap on the menu and find the option for card management or activation. Enter your card number and any other required information. Complete verification if prompted, and your card will be activated. Using the app offers the advantage of managing your card on the go, including blocking or unblocking it, and viewing transactions if you prefer visiting a branch. You can also activate your card in person. Just bring your new debit card and a valid ID to any Wells Fargo branch. A representative will assist you in activating your card right away. Remember to sign the back of your debit card once it is activated. This signature adds an extra layer of security while using your card in stores or online. To summarize, activating your Wells Fargo debit card can be done in just a few minutes by phone, online, through the website mobile app, or in branch. Choose the method that best suits your lifestyle and enjoy seamless access to your funds without any hassle.